So today I'm going to show you how to set up an emergency pump if your drainage is overflowing. I have a very old house, so there's a drain inside the house, which is very odd for these days. However, because this house is old, I do have one, so when it starts to back up here outside the stairwell, it starts to back up inside as well. It's a little giant. It's at the bottom of the stairs for obvious reasons. It needs to be at the lowest point. It's got an automatic shut off, so when the water reaches a certain level, it'll automatically turn on. To test the pump to make sure that the automatic switch is working, I filled up a bucket of water and I'm going to put the pump inside it and make sure it turns on. And I want to hear it turn on, which it has. Okay. So I know the switch works. I'm going to clean up all of this dirt, mud, leaves here. As you can see, the pump doesn't fit completely over the hole, so I need to still make sure that nothing goes in that pipe and starts clogging things up even more. One is the electrical, which I've got running through the shed, hose goes into the pump, and then I've got it strung right out to the back of the yard. As a precautionary, yesterday I took the downspout out of the ground. I don't want the water tying into the drainage system. It's just too much water. So I put it into this tubing here, and I ran it out 12 feet. I should have gone further. Really, I should have gone 25, 30 feet. My water problem is ongoing. Now that the pump is set up, I can rest a little easier. Pretty basic setup. Garden hose goes in one, plug into the electrical with the other. The plugs, there's two of them, so there's two settings. There's one setting that you plug in where it'll work non-stop. There's another setting where if you plug the two in properly into the electrical, the automatic will kick in. Pretty fun attire for this type of event. Don't even bother. Not going to look pretty. Not a pretty situation. But you can do it, just like I did. Check out my blog, Globe Dater.